Corentin Delcroix, a chef from Douai in northern France, isn't the run-of-the-mill chef you typically spot hustling in a restaurant kitchen. He's an online sensation in China. The Frenchman shares his love for fusion cooking through short videos on Chinese social media platforms. What sets him apart is not just his cooking skills, but also his fluency in Mandarin.
大家好，我是光滩。今天我要跟你们分享一个法国特别经典的一个美食，就是
Many of his followers are eagerly anticipating his new recipes.
So in 2002, I came to China. Was originally to study business. So it was a partnership between my business school in France and a Chinese business school. So I came to Beijing for 3 years. And at that time, I didn't know how to cook anything, basically, other than a bit of pasta, and that's it. And when I arrived in China, I fell in love with Chinese food very quickly. So today I'm going to share with you the first dish that I learned when arriving in China. That was 20 years ago. It's extremely easy. Everybody can do it at home. So it's scrambled eggs with tomato. It's a really basic home-style Chinese dish that I still love until now. So this dish has many different versions in different regions of China.
Now living in Shanghai, Corentin knows all the best places
Try
to
some
eat.
local food.
What do you like most about Chinese food?
I think what I like most is definitely the diversity. Diversity, really different place, many different flavors. Here you have some very typical Shanghainese flavor, zhazhu pai, like a kind of a street food. So a fried pork chop, very tender, with the special Shanghai la jiang you, a bit spicy soy, a bit sour. Xiaolongbao, also very classic, those kind of soupy dumpling. And for that you have also a lot of seasonal variation. You've got some classic just with the meat. Every time I travel anywhere, I'm gonna, of course, try as much local food as I can take, and also going to the local markets. So finding some new vegetables, some new local specialty produce is very interesting for me as a chef, and I think it really shows like also the diversity of climates and of terroir, of soil in China is huge. If you go to Sichuan, Bana, the things you're going to get from what you get in Dongbei is just two different worlds. Very different, so I think it's very interesting, and every time I go anywhere, I'm sure I'm going to find some new things that I've never seen before.
Corentin's online celebrity status in China has transcended cooking. He's become a cultural bridge between France and China.
To be honest, my main goal is very simple, but it's just to get people cooking more at home and experiencing some new food. I think food is really a vehicle to also create a more cultural exchange, because it starts from the food. In the long run, if they like the food, they're going to be interested of what's the cultural background behind this food. It's the same thing when I go back to France. I cook some Chinese food for my family, for my friends, and they're going to be interested. Oh, this dish, it's a little bit spicy. Oh, this one is from Sichuan, this one is from Shanghai. Oh, where is Sichuan? What's different? How Sichuan is different from Shanghai? And so from a basic dish, you're going to get a bit more about some cultural background, and I think it's a great bridge to create that cultural exchange between different countries.
While Corentin's online celebrity status continues to grow, what does the future hold? He will continue to create fusion dishes that blend French and Chinese cuisines. But he also plans to share his love for Chinese cooking on Western platforms, bringing the flavors of China to all corners of the world. Ling Ling, CGTN.